Hi, hello all of you. Welcome to this video. I want to introduce myself, people who are new here. This is Shubhangi. I am new to this YouTube platform and I'm really enjoying the process. I am really into editing and shooting and this creative content creation and all of that. I'm enjoying this documentation journey of life, so I'll be doing this, I hope, consistently. But I want to appreciate all those YouTubers जो कंसिस्टेंटली ये सब कर रहे हैं. इसमें बहुत मेहनत लगती है, बहुत क्रिएटिव आइडियाज़ लगते हैं and you have to put your soul, heart and like sweat into all of this. So thank you for those who are choosing to see me, for clicking on my video, giving your time, energy and love. I really love you and I'm really grateful to all of you. So as you already know from the title of the video, I am going to Lonavala again. Just 2 weeks back, I have been to Dela Resort. We are staying there for a weekend. That's for my husband's birthday, but we are going for a weekend. It's a weekend and it's a winter, so we have to hit the hill station spot. But I'll be shooting this weekend, so stay tuned. Hello peeps, and it's a Saturday today. It's a 12 o'clock around and we are finally moving to Lonavala. I know it's a strange that we are going again and again, but I will show you the real reason behind this trip to Lonavala. Just stay tuned by the end of the video. I will show you the reason actually. But this time it's going to be more relaxed and just a peaceful trip, not like adventurous like last time. यहाँ पे कोई adventure भी नहीं है. It's just going to be chill, relax and wonderful weekend. So this time me, my husband and my baby, just 3 of us are going for this weekend. And we are just staying at the property, just eating good food, going for spa, swim and relax. Finally we have reached our hotel room. So we booked this hotel like literally last moment, like a Friday morning. Yeah, so we couldn't get much. There were no many properties available. सब sold out था भाई. Saturday Sunday मतलब सब लोग को लोनावला आना होता है. But this is the only room we got. We finally checked into. The room is not so big, but yeah, we have come here for a reason. As I told you, I'll tell you by the end of this video. But I have come to the bathroom. Look at this. This is nothing but my husband's skincare. I mean, इसमें से मेरा सिर्फ 2-3 ही चीज़ है. Like literally this product, these three products are mine, okay, and all of these are his. Any comments, you guys? So also this kind of a bathroom, it has this curtain. Look at the face. After doing half hour of skincare. Such a cutie. Yeah, so this is the room, what it looks like. That's it. It has beautiful, nice view of Lonavala roads. So I have come to the rooftop of this hotel, as it is rooftop bar, and you can see the sun is setting so beautifully. But the plus point is also this rooftop has beautiful swimming pool. I mean, come on. Such a beautiful weekend. Now I'm going for a swim. So, see ya. Hi, so it's post swim. What a beautiful sunset. But right now I'm too hungry. It's a dinner time. So there's this restaurant called Fiori. It's nice, it's equally good. They have some Italian food. But if you want to explore something else, and we have heard of Anglo-Indian, yeah, I think they will go for today's dinner. I'm really excited. I'm gonna have nice, yummy, hot fiery pizza. So let's see. I'll let you know how is the food there. Good morning. So today I got up with this severe headache because my baby didn't let me sleep more than a half of the night. He kept me awake. That's okay. I think I need a big good mug of coffee. So for that I'll be going for a breakfast. Abhi filhal ke liye I'll have to go for a bath and then we'll be checking out. So yeah, let me go for a bath now. So as you can see, we are back at the Della. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So basically, for a baby stroller, we traveled from Mumbai to Lonavala, stayed for a night, and then got our stroller back. And it's ridiculous. They could have couriered us, but it was not possible. Courier wala available nahi tha, and then local courier guy was there. And any which way we thought ki weekend hai, so let's just have a trip. And then also on the way we picked our stroller. Hi, hello, back to my place, back to my den. There's nothing like home actually, but I forgot to end the vlog, so here I am to say thank you. I had a lot of fun just going and picking up stroller, spending one night in Lonavala, and it was nice. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.